Zaid, the wind is picking up. The cranes are starting to sing. Are we still green for the lift?
Steady, Omar. The load is balancing. Lock the secondary wedges now.
You hear that, Zaid? That's the sound of 10,000 tons of steel finally waking up.
Easy does it, it's like trying to thread a needle with a mountain.
Slow down the port side jack. We are 5 millimeters off. Correcting now.
Omar, check the base seal at the 500-meter mark. The river is pushing herd today.
It's holding true, Zaid. The steel wants to kiss.
Tension is transferring. Transfer complete. Welds, go!
And just like that, the gap is gone. We've defied the void.
Feel that. That's not just wind, that's the bridge breathing under the load.
5,000 tons moving.
She's screaming, Zaid. I've never heard the steel moan like this.
Hold on, Omar. The AI is recalibrating the tension.
She didn't just hold, Zaid. She stood her ground like a queen.
The data is perfect. We built a fortress in the sky.
This is the future of infrastructure. It doesn't just take from the Earth, it gives back.
It's like standing next to a sleeping giant, Zaid. You can feel the weight in your chest.
That giant never sleeps, Omar. It's breathing for the bridge.
It's like the world just ended. There's nothing left down there but white.
The world is still there, Omar. We're just the only ones who can see it from this side today.
We don't just light the road, we light the way to the future. Every photon is a heartbeat.
The bridge has 1,000 eyes. Most of them are under your feet, watching the steel breathe.
They are the bridge's immune system. They find the fever before the steel starts to ache.
Swarm Alpha is out.
Up top, time moves slow. Down here, we're rewriting the laws of distance.
We're talking to the stars now, Zaid. The bridge isn't just crossing a canyon, it's touching the edge of the world.
Up here, there are no roads. Every brick, every drop of water, and every breath of air comes from the sky.
We didn't just build a bridge, Zaid. We built a permanent piece of the sky.
It's not ours anymore, Omar. It belongs to the future now. Let's see where they take it.
Morning, Sector B.
Stay away from the windows. The wind's picking up. Unit 12 liters heater just kicked in.
Who would have thought a bridge could feel like a capital city?
The market level is at 80% high. The pylon is breathing, Omar. It's scrubbing the exhaust and giving us fresh air in the pods.
Best air in the world is inside a concrete pillar.
The hospital wing is on priority 1 power. We cannot have a flicker during a neural stitching.
Modern miracles, Zaid. We're fixing hearts 2,000 feet in the air.
Zaid, I'm at the mid-span clamp. There's a hairline fracture on the secondary bolt. I'm gonna have to manual torque it.
Careful, Omar. The wind is hitting a harmonic peak.
For a minute, you forget there's 2,000 feet of nothing under you.
We built it for the bridge's health, but I think we needed it more.
At night, the height disappears. All that's left is the light and the feeling that you're finally above it all.
The wall is holding, Zaid, but the vibration is tearing the sensors apart. I can feel the steel screaming.
Don't move, Omar.
Speed is the bridge's second language. We aren't just crossing space, we're erasing time.
It's a long way down for anyone thinking of escaping, Zaid.
Justice up here is cold. We don't have room for people who threaten the bridge.
She's thinking, Omar. The bridge is calculating the wind patterns for the next 48 hours. She's already 3 steps ahead of the storm.
It's a perfect sync. The coffee on the top deck hasn't even rippled. You can't see the magnets, but you can feel them. That's real power, Zaid.
Zaid, I'm at the mid-span clamp. The drone was right. There's a hairline fracture on the secondary bolt.
Careful, Omar. The wind is hitting a harmonic peak.
This isn't just concrete and cables anymore. It's a living, thinking organism. And we are its heartbeat. At night, the height disappears. All that's left is the light and the feeling that you're finally above it all. We spent our lives building this thing, Zaid.
It's a long way down for anyone thinking of escaping, Zaid. The wind alone would tear a man apart before he hit the trees.
The secondary rack is gonna take out the whole pylon's oxygen supply.
Man can't survive out there today. But my machines don't feel the cold. They only feel the mission.
The greatest thing we ever built wasn't the steel. It was the belief that we belong in the clouds.
The data we're getting, it changes everything.
The bridge is like a needle, and we're just sitting on the tip.
They used to look at the stars for now.
The wind is feeding the fire, Zaid. It's like a blowtorch out here. I'm opening the pylon shutters to suck the oxygen out of that sector.
You don't realize how big the bridge is until you stand in its shadow. Up there, it's the future. Down here, it's just heavy iron.
They're recycling our trash, Zaid. Every bolt we drop, they turn into a tool. It's a whole city down there that doesn't even see the sun.
They said man wasn't meant to fly. We didn't fly. We built a city in the sky.
Tension is locked. Pod 01 is clear of the troposphere.
This is the final protocol. The bridge was the test. Space is the destination. When you connect the world, you don't just move people. You move ideas. You move the future.
2,000 meters in 60 seconds. It's the only time I feel how high we really live, Zaid.
Distance used to be a death sentence. Now, the bridge is the lifeline.
Up here, we don't mine the earth for coal. We mine the sky for light. We're hitting peak production, Omar. The bridge is currently powering 3 ground cities. Up here, we have to fight to keep our weight. Down there, people fight to lose it. Gravity is a luxury we didn't know we had.
He spent 40 years building this bridge, Zaid. He always said he wanted to be part of it.
Zaid, the anchor harpoons in Sector 4 just snapped. The bridge is starting to twist.
She's still standing, Zaid. A bit bruised, a few broken ribs, but she's still here.
Security isn't about walls anymore. It's about data. The bridge is the smartest border ever built.
Sometimes I forget we're on a machine, Zaid. The smell of wet earth.
We built this for your mind, not just your lungs, Omar.
Gravity is a variable you can play with.
Sir, if the bridge is 50,000 kilometers long, does it ever end?
Up here, style has a purpose. If your clothes don't breathe, you don't breathe.
Copy that, Zaid. Engaging magnetic brakes on the target. Tell the ground crew to prepare for a hard dock at Pylon 15.
This is where I live, Omar. It all ends up here as data. I am Zayda.
Zaid, the movie is great, but I can't stop looking at the background.
That's the beauty of the 5,000 meter mark.
On the ground, you're living the dream.
It's a bit scary, isn't it?
It's not eating, Omar, it's reincarnating. We are the first civilization that doesn't leave a scar.
It's like magic, Zaid. We're literally drinking the sky.
It's the purest water on Earth, Omar. I'm adjusting the net tension.
I don't get it. The view is the same from the maintenance catwalks.
It's not just the view, Omar. It's the silence. Up here,
They're not even running anymore, Zaid. They're flying.
It's not insane, Omar. It's evolution. On the ground, you are limited by your legs.
I can't hear the wind anymore, Zaid. Just this heartbeat. It feels like the bridge itself is singing.
We turn the cold of the stratosphere into the gold of the digital age.
It feels like a cathedral, Zaid.
Knowledge is the only thing heavier than the bridge, Omar.
On the bridge, he always said he wanted to be part of the bridge forever, Zaid.
I didn't think he meant it literally.
We are capturing the fury of the sun and the rage of the storm, Omar. This bridge is now the largest.
It tastes cleaner. No bugs, just pure sky energy.
we're growing food 10x faster than ground farms, Omar. It's always spring here. At 5,000 meters, we became starbound. We are building a bridge to the stars.
It makes the ground world feel so small.
Every breath feels like I'm drinking through a straw, Zaid.
The bridge is the gym. The universe is the arena.
Every breath feels like I'm drinking through a straw, Zaid.
The bridge is the gym. The universe is the arena.
It feels different today, Zaid. It's not just about crossing the ocean anymore.
The Earth is a beautiful cradle, Omar.
Every time I breathe in, Zaid, I think of these machines. If they stop, the bridge dies in 10 minutes.
The density in Sector 4 is too high, Zaid. Divert the drones.
One spark, Zaid. Just one tiny static spark and this whole section of the bridge becomes a new sun.
The risk is... Look at that kid, Zaid. He's not afraid at all. To him, being 5 kilometers in the air is as normal as playing in a park.
That's the goal, Omar.
They look so small, Zaid.
Distance brings perspective, Omar.
You don't realize how much you love the Earth until you're about to leave it behind.
Gravity is just a habit, Omar. And today, we've broken it.
It looks so fragile from here.
It's not just a symbol. It creates its own weather, its own shade, and its own life.
I've seen storms from the ground, Zaid, and I've seen them from 5,000 meters. But I've...
Vector 7 is accelerating. Reroute Drone 4.
Confirmed. Engaging pursuit protocol.
Look at the atmospheric data here. The oxygen signature is undeniable.
And the water readings confirm a stable liquid ocean.
The bridge construction required phase alignment across all sectors.
Look at the detail on these gloves.
They really built the future with their hands.
We didn't just build a bridge, Omar. We built a future that can never fall.